The idea to develop a totally new sawing generation came us 5 years ago. We knew from our market surveys what our customer wants. They want to have a compact tool, an easy to operate tool, vibration-free tool, and of course, still precise. Everything started with a meeting in Rudi, our Vice President of Development's office. We discussed an idea about a mini chainsaw. The idea was so obvious and therefore so genius.
When Uwe approached me with that idea, we checked the existing tools on the market. And we asked, why do people hesitate to use an electrical saw? Circular saws are big, bulky and noisy. Jigsaws vibrate a lot and it's not so easy to cut precise along a marked line. Many people think sawing is dangerous. And that is the point where we said we need to solve it.
We wanted to create a saw for everybody, something like everybody's darling. And I think we made a pretty good job. With Peter, I discussed the development of a totally new saw. And we both agreed, if it would work, that we make a mini chainsaw, which is easy to handle and which is compact. That would be a multi-talent.
A mini chainsaw. It sounded a bit strange, but nevertheless genius. The biggest problem was the chain. How to reach such a small size fitting to the needed power, which material, which geometry can we solve it at all, and how to produce these tiny little parts. These were only some of the questions we asked ourselves. The only thing which laid on our table was a chain of a chainsaw. But this didn't fit to our imaginations nor our requirements. After a few months and many simulations and verifications, our initial ideas were realized in a prototype. We have the perfect saw system, the NanoBlade. 44 chain links, each 4 mm long and 0.9 mm wide. 40 buttons are applied for. The NanoBlade was the major requisite for our new saw, the core of all. In parallel, we developed a suitable drive unit for the saw system. The first idea was a prototype with a turnable head, but this idea failed in our market survey already. So we had to realize several solutions until we found the perfect model. But we finally got it, a perfect saw for everyone.
The EasyCut 12 is the perfect all-purpose saw for all kinds of cutting applications, indoor and outdoor. I can cut a wooden box, shorten a broomstick, or adjust my Christmas tree. With the EasyCut 12, it is simple and easy. And it is cordless. That means I can cut every time, everywhere. And I can even do cutting without fixation of the workpiece. Another typical application is cutting branches. With the EasyCut 12, this is very simple and fast.
With the EasyCut 50, you also can make very easily plunge cuts. And this without drilling anything. So in the end of the foot blade you have an angled part. There you can put your machine when you want to saw. And then you turn the machine around into the wood and you can saw. It's a great feeling. I am every time very enthusiastic about this.
The AdvancedCut 50, our multi-talent, is perfect for various cuts. For example, plunge cuts and grooves. And even 45 degrees bevel cuts are simple and easy due to the tiltable foot plate.